Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin now. Check the Odyssey G7 model number and current firmware in the monitor menu. Make sure you're using display port 1, 4 or an HDMI 2. One cable for full bandwidth. Why? Because updates and OSD features sometimes require full signal. Prepare a FAT32 USB drive and place the downloaded firmware file at the root. Once done, power the monitor and PC, then open the Monitor on Screen menu. You'll access the Update function immediately to start the process. Navigate the Odyssey OSD. Go to Support, then Firmware Update, and choose the USB source you prepared. You will see a prompt to confirm, accept it, and then let the monitor receive the file. Do not interrupt power or cables because partial writes can brick firmware. You'll notice a progress bar and possibly multiple stages. That's normal. If the monitor restarts, let it complete fully and verify the new version in the menu. Make sure to keep the PC awake and avoid sleep during the transfer. After the restart, verify the firmware version in support about to confirm success. If the version didn't change or the update failed, try again with a different FAT32 USB drive and use the display port you initially tested. Sometimes cables or ports cause transfer errors. If the monitor behaves oddly after updating, perform a factory reset in the OSD, then recheck. Troubleshooting tip: if a failure persists, record the firmware version and error behavior before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.